guys, for bawat exponent, so we also have power rule. So pag sinabi po natin power rule, sabi dyan, when raising a monomial to powers, you have to multiply po yung ating exponent outside dun sa parentheses. For example, dito ating x raised to m, raised to n. So ito times lang daw po yung exponent outside dun sa inside ng ating parentheses. So for this, copy nyo lang si x and then times yung m at saka mn. Okay, so gawin nating number para mas maintindihan natin. So I have here x squared cube. Okay, so itong cube outside times lang dito sa exponent. So meron tayong x 2 times 3. X raised to the 6th power. So dito din 2x to the 4th cube. Okay, so yung 3, so i-distribute nyo lang siya sa lahat ng variable inside, same as dun sa ating coefficient. So yung 2 dito, i-raise nyo din siya sa 3. Yung x, yung exponent niya, times nyo lang din sa 3. Okay, so yung 2 cube natin, that is 2 times 2 times 2, or that is equal to 8. X raised to 4 times 3, that is 12. Okay? Ayan. So, same as when we have x squared, y cube. So, yung 4, multiply lang dito, multiply lang din dun sa y. Okay? So, meron tayong x, 2 times 4, y, 3 times 4. Okay? So, yung answer natin, that will be x to the 8, y to the 12. Okay? Ganyan lang po. Okay, last example, we have 5x to the 6y squared z squared. Okay, so again, yung square dito sa labas, distribute inside sa mga exponent niya, multiply lang po. So, 5 squared, x, 6 times 2, y, 2 times 2, z, kapag wala yung exponent, it means that is 1 times 2. So, yung answer, 5 squared ay 5 times 5, 25, x, 6 times 2, 12, y, 2 times 2, 4, z, 1 times 2, 2. Okay, ayan po ang ating power rule. Thank you!